There is a one net ACL for all subnets. You can create a custom NAC. When this one create, it comes with only delay rule. Edit. Now you can add alarm rules to alarm traffic such as HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, or if there's a database port to select. And select associated subnet for this customer rule. Now the same thing on the security gateway. This is the default one. You can create a custom security gateway. Open this custom security gateway. Now you can edit it to enter the custom rules. You can check my blog for both the sample NAC and the security gateway. You can add another service into this VPC, for example, and EC2 instance for each subnet. Select custom VPC and associate subnet, in this case public subnet. And storage. You can also add tag. Now you can use the existing security group. If you want to do SSH from port 22, you need to add that port into the security group. If this is a private subnet, you don't want FTP, then you don't need to add the port. Select the key pair we create in this region. and do the same thing to other instance. You can create a load balance for the high availability and disaster recovery, and select HTTP, select VPC, select both public subnet. You also can add a tag. Remember, we didn't create HTTPS listen for this one. After you've done this project, you can clean up VPC by deleting stack from CloudFormation. If there's any problem to remove VPCs through CloudFormation, for example, I create EC2 and ELB, which were not in the CloudFormation, you need to terminate EC2 first before remove VPC. Now go to VPC, select Delete VPC. You can see everything associated with this VPC will be deleted. There's only one thing that keep here is on the region level will not be deleted, so you need to go to EC2 to delete it from there.